Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to make an underwater volcano. For this we need a large glass jar and a small bottle. I tied one string to the small bottle. So I filled the large glass jar with some cold water. I'm going to fill the small bottle with hot water and red food coloring. Now I'm going to put the small bottle into the large jar. Look, it looks like lava going up. Amazing and splendid. If you like this video, please like, share, comment and subscribe. And don't forget to see the Hey Guys Vlogs channel. Bye! See you in our next video.